Welcome to another math problem of the week. Color the cube with two colors. Let's talk about it. So for today's question, you are asked to color the 6 faces of a cube with two colors, blue and red. Each of the face is either blue or red. Two coloring are regarded the same if the cube looks identical after some rotations. How many different coloring can be made? And the options are A, 9, B, 10, C, 12, and D, 13. What do you think?
Pause the video now if you wish to solve it. Keep watching the video once ready.
Now this is a rather straightforward question. So we can have red faces or blue faces. If 0 red face, then they must be all blue, or 1 to 5, 2 and 4, 3 to 3, 4, 2, 5, 1, and 6, 0. And the number of coloring that we can have for each one. For these, all in blue, there's only one of it. And by symmetry, 0, 6, 0, also 1. So if there is only one red and 5 blue, obviously there's also one such coloring, and so does this. And now, if we have 2 red faces, then we can consider these 2 faces either adjacent or not adjacent. So if it's adjacent, then that's one way. If it's not adjacent, then it contributes another coloring. So there are 2 of them. Likewise for this, also 2 of them. Now when we go to 3 coloring, it's a little bit tricky. So we can look at the net of the cube. So it's either the 3 faces share a common vertex. And this is red, red, red. The rest are blue. Or they don't share a common vertex. Okay, so in that case, there will be red, red, and the red here. Either way, for 3 red faces, there must be 2 faces that share common edge. Okay, so it's either they share another common vertex for 3 faces, or they don't. So in total, there are 2 of them. So whenever all together, you see that there are only 10 of them. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. What is more interesting, if we change these 2 colors to 3, how many different coloring can be made? And more interesting, we can consider by change the number of colors that we can have. Obviously, we can change it to only 1 color, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 color, or even more. There's a counting technique that's called Burnside lemma, which will allow us to get the number of coloring for each of the cases. Obviously, when it is only 1 color, then we have only 1 coloring. And it is 2, then as you can see, there are 10. And they are a little bit more challenging when you go to 3. And we know that it should be altogether 57. And when you have 4 colors, it is 240. And the number of coloring for 5 color and 6 color as shown. And for now, let's look at other people's solutions. That's all for today's lesson. I'll see you again next Tuesday. Bye bye.